Hi, welcome to my beauty channel. In this video, I'm gonna review one of the popular blow dryer brush and share all its cons and pros with you. My name is Fateme and I am a hairstylist. One thing that I like about this dryer is it is designed ergonomically. Very light, and as you see, it fits in your hand very comfortably. The other good side of this product is this area. The top area, it is designed the way that your hand wouldn't touch this hot body of the blow dryer during the styling. The body of this dryer is coated with ceramic, so it heats up quickly and evenly, and it's gonna cause less damage because of that ceramic coat. It is designed with bore technology. If you take a closer look, you're gonna see different kind of bristle here. The one with the kind of round knob on the head, it's gonna help you to detangle your hair much easier and smoother. Because of those hair, this area, the tinier, the smaller hair, the brush grab hair with more tension, so you're gonna have shinier and smoother look. It has this swivel cord, which I love because it gets less tangle, and that keep this dryer in a good condition for longer time. The big brush saves you more time and energy. If you look at the brush, it's kind of like my hand size. It has a pretty big brush, so it's gonna grab more hair and it's gonna save time and energy. Another thing about this, it has that ionic system. It breaks water molecule to a smaller particle and evaporate faster, so it's gonna be less frying time and less damage. It comes with 4 settings. You can put it on cool, low, or high setting. It is pretty light, so it's good if you want to travel. You don't have to take your blow dryer and your brushes. It has 4 years limited warranty. Now let's talk about the cons of this product. When it is in high setting, it gets too hot. As you see, this dryer has airflow vent for faster drying, which is good. But since the airflow is from all the direction, it's gonna flow too much heat on the hair, which is more damaging. In comparison with your regular hair dryer, if you put it on a high setting, you're gonna get more damage on your hair. Because of its big brush, it's hard to get close to the root. As you see, some area here is gonna be left. So if you've got a curly or kinky hair, it's more challenging to smooth your roots. If you look at the box, it said Salon one-step blow dryer brush. As a hairstylist, I don't use it as a Salon one-step blow dryer because it's gonna cause more damage and breakage on wet hair, especially when you got your highlight or color. As you see, because of the vent area, the heat blew from all the direction and the hair gets super hot. Whenever I want to dry my hair, I just let it air dry a little bit and then I use on low setting. This way I get less damage. And remember, always use a heat protection. It could be any kind, as long as it gives you a heat protectant, because it's not like a regular hair dryer. With a regular hair dryer, you don't put your dryer directly into your hair. You keep a distance between your brush and dryer. But with this one, this is directly in touch with your hair and it blew the heat into the hair, which is damaging. If you don't live in United States or if you travel, make sure to check this product before your purchase. This dryer is designed to be used on 120 volt USA outlet. It's not recommended the voltage converter because it will damage the unit. Right now the price for this product is $46 on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below for you so you could go and check that product. Because of the big size of the brush and its oval shape, it's hard to get close to the roots. Especially for people with curly hair, it's more challenging to smooth the root area. To solve this problem, instead of putting the brush under each section, put it on the top with a good tension. To create more volume, pull the hair away from the scalp when styling. For final touch, I brush my hair from different directions to get rid of all the frizzy area, especially on the root. If you want to invest in a blow dryer and you don't have any, I recommend you to go with a regular blow dryer. Because with a regular blow dryer, you can dry your hair, you can style it. But this one, Revlon hair dryer, is mostly a hair styler, not a hair dryer. When we work with a regular hair dryer, we don't put it directly into our hair. Because of the nozzle, we usually have to keep this much distance from our hair, which is good and protect our hair from the heat damage. But with this one, we have to put it directly on the hair and wrap the hair around that. So it's gonna be more damaging, especially for people with a highlighted hair or fine and fragile hair. To avoid heat damage, I recommend you let your hair air dry a little bit or dry it with your regular hair dryer, and after that use this Revlon hair dryer to finish your style and smooth your hair. If you find this video helpful, please like it and make sure to subscribe to see my next videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.